Welcome back to Ask the Sales Professor. I'm Professor Ben, your sales coach, and this is your opportunity to learn from other sales professionals' successes and their mistakes. Or if you're really brave, you can ask your sales questions in the comment section below. That is by far the best way for us to make the most of our time together. Here's another question from my LinkedIn network, and it's actually about LinkedIn. Laura asks, as a sales professional, what should be on my LinkedIn profile to help me get the most attention from my prospects? Well, Laura, that's a great question. And the answer, like most things in sales, is all about your target audience. For a little background, Laura has been in her IT account executive role for over a year, and she sells HR-related software. And if you're like Laura and using LinkedIn to expand your prospecting pool, then you're already on the right track. In fact, in Keenan's book, Gap Selling, his research reveals that 72% of sales professionals who utilize social media to sell actually exceed quota 23% more often than those who don't. Now, we're not going to cover all the LinkedIn basics in this session. The goal here is to make sure you're attracting the right connections with your profile. I'll leave the basics up to my friend Mark Warnken. If you haven't checked out his LinkedIn page, I'll include his info in the details section below, as he covers everything that you need to get your LinkedIn page set up like a professional. Now, once your page is optimized, it's time to get the right connections in your network. And I promise you, the last thing that you want to do is spray and pray your sales pitch over every new person that you want to meet. In fact, what you want to do is follow these 3 steps. First, start posting articles that your target audience will be interested in reading. Now, I know this is going to come as a shock. They're probably not interested in reading articles about your company, at least not just yet. So make sure your articles are insightful and target the needs of their specific role. In Laura's case, anything HR related would be a great place to start. By posting helpful information, your target audience will not only want to follow you for that information, they will also see that you understand their job, and that will increase the chances of them wanting to work with you at some point in the future. Also keep in mind, you don't win this race with one viral, amazing post. You must post valuable content 1 or more times every single week. It's okay if you share content from other sources. The key is value and consistency. Your second step is to reach out to prospects that you want to connect with and copy and paste the link to one of your informative articles in the message so they understand clearly what's in it for them by connecting with you. Remember, this is not sales pitch time. This is simply a time to make a new connection. And once you've made that new connection, it's up to you to remain top of mind. You can do this organically with your future posts, since they'll be more likely to read them now that you're connected. And you can also do this by reaching out to them directly with more information that is specific to them. Your third step is to pick up the phone. Once you have a deeper connection, find a mutually beneficial reason to schedule a call with your new contact. And just like cold calling, not everyone's going to want to get on a call with you right away, and that's totally okay. Your goal is to make sure that you make the ask when the time is right, so you can move that relationship to the next level. It is important to know that even the best LinkedIn efforts won't take the place of prospecting tools that provide more immediate results, such as in-person networking or cold calling. It will, however, make your prospecting easier and much more fruitful after you've posted regularly for about 6 to 9 months. Remember, this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Think of your social media prospecting like a protein shake. It does not take the place of proper nutrition and exercise, but it certainly can enhance it. Now you know what to do. Go post some valuable content that speaks directly to your target audience. Then get back to your prospecting and go build some productive relationships. And I'll see you in the next session. If you like this video and you're committed to being a top 10% sales professional, then hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more informational videos. And if you're really ready to take it to the next level, share your sales questions in the comment section and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Plus, you never know. Your sales question could be our next video.